Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before I start off with the video, my lipstick is from Maybelline. It's from the Loaded Bowls collection and it's in the shade Berry Bossy. I think I showed it in my latest haul and this is become one of my most favorite colors, and I think this berry reddish color will suit every skin tone. So there's this YouTuber whose channel's name is I Love Cosmetics 786 and she's doing this amazing Diwali giveaway. So if you'd want to participate, you can just head over to her channel and follow the rules and participate. She posts some amazing videos on, reviews of products and all of that. And if you are someone from North and someone who understands Hindi, then I think her channel will be really helpful. So I will leave all her links and all her details in the description box, and if you are interested, then please check her out. Okay, so all of y'all keep asking me for an eyebrow routine, and honestly I do not have any routine. In fact, the only times that I fill my brows is when I'm doing a makeup tutorial, and otherwise I don't do it. And if you're following me on Instagram and you scroll all the way down like to the first few pictures that I had posted, you will see that I never had brows. I had really thin worm kind of brows, and I had no choice but to maintain that shape because my brow hairs would not grow. And then I decided that I had to do something about it. So when I asked a few relatives and all of them, they said that castor oil really helps. So all I did was I used castor oil and these vitamin E oil capsules. I mixed both of them. I honestly didn't even measure anything. I just randomly mixed both of them, and every single night with a spoolie like this. Okay, now even if you don't have this, it doesn't matter, but with this I would dip it and I would use it on my brows and then sleep. But then the thing that really helped it is that when I was doing this to help my brow hair grow, I did not pluck it, I did not go and get threading done, I did not shape it, I did nothing for almost 3 months. I just let it grow. I did not touch it at all. So as girls, we are very particular about our eyebrows, and letting it just grow like that for 3 months and letting it look all messy is very difficult. But trust me, do it. Do not pluck your eyebrows, do not thread it, do not do anything to it, and then just let it grow. Now once you've let it grow for 3 months while you are using these oils together, after 3 months, go to your parlor lady and make sure that you maintain one parlor lady. Now what happens is when you keep going to different ladies, they're just going to say, oh, the previous one didn't do a good job, she spoiled it, she ruined it, and they're just going to keep playing with the shape of your brows. So what you do is when you decide to go to one particular parlor lady, you go to her and then you tell her that you just want to remove the extras. Don't give it a shape, don't do anything. Just tell her that you want to remove the extras just so that it can look neat. Now for about 2 months, don't give it any shape, don't do anything, just ask her to remove extra. And once you have those full brows, you have thick full brows, then go to her and tell her that you want slight shape, nothing more than that. You just need the slightest arch for your brows, okay? And make sure that you specify to her that you want your eyebrows to be thick. Okay, now I know a lot of them do not like thick brows, but trust me, that's in trend now and it really looks nice on your face, and your eyebrows can really change the way your face looks. So then make sure that you tell her that you want it to be thick, and then once you actually start getting the shape and she gives you a nice arch, maintain it. Just maintain it. After that, whenever you go to get your eyebrows threaded, just tell her to remove the extras and nothing else. Tell her not to touch the shape, not to do anything. Whatever shape is there, just ask her to pluck out the extra hair. If you want, you can still continue using castor oil and vitamin E oil together because it's really good for your brow hairs. Now people who have very little lashes or very tiny lashes, you can use the same thing for your lashes as well, and it will grow really fast. The same thing you have to do is apply it at night and go to sleep, and it will really help. Now I've become so familiar with the shape of my brows that I have been doing my brows at home for I think from last month, and I just use wheat strips and wax it. If you want a tutorial on it, please just comment down below and I will be very happy to do a tutorial on that. And I hope that this video helps you guys, and I hope that you are able to get your dream brows, because I know nowadays brows are like the biggest things. Like everyone wants to have like amazing looking brows and all of that, but it would be even amazing if it was natural and if you didn't have to do anything, if you didn't have to sit and spend hours trying to fill it in and shape it and all of that. So I hope that this video helped you guys, and if it did, then please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.